Have you ever wondered how one tiny decision could completely change your life? What if saying hello to a stranger led to your dream job? Or missing one bus completely changed your future? It sounds unbelievable, but there's actually a scientific idea behind it. It's called the butterfly effect. Here's where it gets interesting. The butterfly effect comes from chaos theory, a branch of science that studies complex systems. The name comes from a famous question. Could the flap of a butterfly's wings eventually help influence a tornado weeks later? The butterfly doesn't create the tornado by itself. Instead, its tiny movement changes the air, just enough that, over time, those small changes grow larger and larger. Whether the example happens exactly that way isn't the point. The idea is simple. Small actions can lead to surprisingly big outcomes. And this doesn't just apply to weather. It happens in everyday life. Imagine you're running 5 minutes late. Because of that, you miss your train. You take the next one instead. There, you meet someone new. That person introduces you to a new opportunity. Months later, your entire career has changed. One small delay started a chain of events no one could have predicted. But that's not the whole story. The butterfly effect also works in reverse. Tiny negative habits can slowly create big problems. Skipping one workout doesn't seem important. Eating one unhealthy meal isn't a disaster. Ignoring one assignment feels harmless. But when those choices repeat day after day, they begin to shape your future. The surprising part is that positive habits work exactly the same way. Reading just 10 pages every day might not seem impressive, but after 1 year, you've finished dozens of books. Saving just a few dollars each day can grow into thousands over time. Practicing a new skill for 15 minutes daily can completely transform your abilities. Small actions become powerful because they compound. Just like snow rolling down a hill becomes a giant snowball. And that changed everything. Many people wait for one big opportunity to change their lives. But real change usually begins with small decisions repeated consistently. A single conversation. One good habit. One kind act. One brave choice. You may never know which moment becomes the turning point. That's why every decision matters. The butterfly effect reminds us that the future isn't built only by huge events. It's shaped by countless small moments that seem unimportant at the time. So the next time you think, it's just one small action, remember this. Great changes rarely begin with giant leaps. They begin with one tiny step that starts a chain reaction no one can see yet.